Imagine waking up in a home that cooks your breakfast and talks back to you. Welcome to 2025, where smart home technology is smarter than ever before. In this video, we'll explore 10 futuristic gadgets already shipping in 2025 that are transforming how we live, rest, and play. So, kicking things off at number 1, we have the smart autonomous home robot. I know what you're thinking. We've seen robot vacuums for years. But this is so much more than that. Think of it less as a single-task appliance and more as a mobile, multifunctional butler, a central hub on wheels with LiDAR and cameras to navigate flawlessly. It can be your personal courier, fetching a drink, or bringing your phone from the other room. It's a roaming security guard monitoring for unusual activity, and a home manager checking air quality, identifying leaks, and coordinating with other devices. The real magic is integration. This isn't a standalone gadget. It's the physical manifestation of your home's central AI that knows routines and understands context. Ask it to tidy the living room. It vacuums and signals a robotic arm to put away toys. It's about offloading the mental and physical burden of daily chores. Okay, so you have this robot moving around your house, but how do you interact with your home's intelligence when the robot isn't in the room? And that brings me to number 2. Wait until you see gadget number 2. It talks back. This is the holographic AI assistant. We've gotten used to talking to speakers and screens, but this takes it to a whole new level by giving your AI a physical, or at least visual, presence in the room. Imagine a projector system generating an interactive 3D hologram that displays your calendar, animated weather, or step-by-step recipes you can gesture through. Because it has a visual form, interactions feel natural. Ask to pull up security feeds as floating windows. It's your home's AI, visible and conversational. It's a UI revolution for the home. Next up, at number 3, a gadget that redefines the morning routine. The smart mirror. At first glance, it's minimalist, but turn it on and the surface comes to life. A transparent display overlaying information on your reflection. With built-in sensors and AR, it can analyze skin, provide health insights, offer skincare recommendations, and let you virtually try on outfits. It links to health trackers for sleep and readiness, and can start a video call or tutorial while you get ready. Moving from the bathroom to the kitchen. Number 4, the automated culinary system. This isn't just a smart oven or connected fridge. It's a complete robotic system built into your kitchen. Robotic arms on a track, precise ingredient dispensers, and a central AI with thousands of chef-crafted recipes. Pick a recipe on a tablet or with your holographic assistant. Then the system takes over, portioning, stirring, flipping, sautéing, plating, all with superhuman precision. It adapts to dietary needs and pantry constraints, delivering restaurant-quality meals with zero prep. Number 5 could genuinely be a lifesaver. The Home Health and Diagnostics Scanner. Mounted in a hallway or bathroom, it performs a non-invasive daily scan to monitor heart rate, respiratory rate, and body temperature, without you touching anything. Over time, the AI learns your baseline, analyzes gait and posture, and flags subtle anomalies, sending a discreet alert if something's off. It can suggest a focused scan for deeper reading or connect you to a doctor via telehealth, shifting care from reactive to proactive. Coming in at number 6, a system that works silently in the background. The Adaptive Climate and Lighting System. Beyond thermostats and bulbs, an array of sensors learns your home's thermal properties and your preferences. The AI predicts what's coming, pre-cooling a sun-exposed zone to keep temperatures steady while saving energy. Lighting mimics the sun's progression. Cool, blue-toned in the morning to boost alertness, warming toward amber in the evening to support sleep. It adapts to your presence, the time of day, and even your calendar to optimize comfort and productivity. Hands-free. Okay, this next one is for everyone who hates cleaning, and that's pretty much everyone. Gadget 7 will literally clean your house for you. It's a 2-part system. Nano-engineered self-cleaning surfaces with antimicrobial and photocatalytic properties that break down grime under UV integrated into lighting. Then, a specialized RoboMaid handles windows, showers, and deep floor cleaning, auto-refilling and recharging in its dock. Schedule it overnight and wake up to spotless rooms. Clean surfaces plus deep clean automation means fewer chores, a total game changer. At number 8, modular smart furniture, rethinking the objects in our homes, especially as spaces get smaller. This isn't static furniture. Tables rise and expand, sofas reconfigure or split, powered by quiet, precise motors and modular design. Surfaces embed touch displays and charging with armrest controls. Switch to movie mode, and your room auto-dials lights and screen. It morphs with your needs: work, dine, sleep, all in the same footprint. Security is huge, and number 9 takes it from reactive to proactive. The security drone and AI perimeter. An AI-powered virtual perimeter uses discrete sensors to analyze patterns, telling delivery from a stray animal or a sneaky intruder. If there's a credible threat, a quiet drone deploys, streaming HD video to your phone and issuing deterrent warnings. It can track intruders and integrate with emergency services, protection once reserved for high-security sites. And finally, at number 10, a gadget that sounds like pure science fiction, but is getting closer every day. The at-home food 3D printer. Instead of cooking from raw ingredients, it prints food layer by layer from nutrient cartridges, pastes, powders, and gels, combining them into complex dishes. The power is customization and precise nutrition, from exact calorie pizzas to intricate pastas, kid-friendly healthy shapes, and athlete-tuned macros. With less waste and long shelf life cartridges. Print your next meal to spec, tailored to your body and taste. So, there you have it. 10 pieces of tech that are fundamentally changing our definition of home. From robots that clean and cook, to furniture that transforms and AI that looks after your health, the trend is clear. The smart home is evolving into a single, cohesive, intelligent ecosystem that anticipates your needs. Technology isn't just in your pocket anymore. It's becoming part of your home. Which gadget would you use first? Subscribe for more future tech videos from Modern Engineering Tech.